In this video, we are going to see that how we can save our live video from webcam and how we can save our frames from webcam. It means that how we can click the images from a camera. So first, we have to import our CV2. We have to make a object of our video capture. Video. I'm giving a 0 because I'm going to use my inbuilt camera. For that, we have to define a variable for CC. Now we are going to use our new class which is known as cv2 dot, it should be also cv2 dot video writer for cc. So it has four parameters. One is our x, and second parameter is our v, and third parameter is our I, and last parameter we have to give our d. Now we have to, so this class will help us to make our jpj format for our video. So we have to initialize our one more class writer. So inside this class we are taking a new class cv2 dot video writer, and in this class we have to give our video name. Suppose we are giving new underscore video dot mp4 or avi, we can give anything. I am giving avi. Now we have to pass our 4cc. After that we have to give our number of frames, we have to pass per second. Now we have to pass our resolution. It can be any resolution like 720p or 640 comma 480. Now we have to set our camera. For that we have to take a while loop. If you don't know about this, please go my previous videos in my playlist. So it will return us two value like retination and our frames plus video dot read. Now we have to check if our retination equal to true. Now we can give any cv2 dot time show. We can give our video name is video. Now we have to pass our frame. Now we have to give that command okay. Now it will going to pop up my window, but at the same time we have to create our video. So for that we have to write cv2 dot, no, not cv2, we have to give our this, we have to use this object inside this. So for video write, now we have to we have a function dot write. Inside this we have to pass our frames. Now we have to write one more thing. If to break this loop we have to use our cv2 dot wait key. Inside this we have can pass 1 equal to 27. 27 is nothing but our space button. So if I press my space button, then it should break the loop. After that we have to release our video. For that, after this we have to save our video. For that, we after writer dot release. After this we have to quit our window. So I'm going to execute this now. Okay, I have error. Video capture. Okay, it should be cv2 dot. Now as you can see my window is pop-up. Now it will start to make my video. If I press escape button it will quit. If I go in my directory and I will see new underscore video avi. Now you see I have the same video. So this is done. Now what if I want to click my pictures from our webcam? So it is also a small code. So for that we have to import to libraries furnace os. Second one is our cv2 same. Now we have to initialize our class same as video capture. For that we have to write cv2.video capture. Inside this we are giving a 0. It will return us. Now we have to again write our loop. Then it will return us two values, attention and our frames. Now we have to write video.read. Now if our attention is equal to true, then it will try to pop up my window. Clicking frames. Now we have can pass our frame. Now we are saying that if, so I want my all images in one folder, so it will create a folder inside this images. For that I am writing if os.path.exist with the name of images. If I have a folder name as images, then leave it. If it is not, then try to make it and put all the images inside the folder. So I'm taking it. It should be os.makedots with the name of images. Now we have to click our image. For that I am taking a loop because I want uh, how many number of images. For that I want only 15 images suppose. So inside this we have a function im.write. For that now we have to set our path inside this folder. Suppose I'm taking my name Harsh underscore. So it should be our format. This I'm taking this because it will change like Harsh1, Harsh2, Harsh3 name as this videos. So now we have to pass our dot extension also. Now we have to give our frame. So for that if I press my wait key, then it will leave it. It will break the loop. Now we have to simple release our video. Now we have to say that destroy my windows. So let me execute this. So as you can see, now I'm going to press escape button. Now if I go in my directory packs, as you can see images folder is created. Inside this we have our 15 number of images. So in my next video I will try to make a frame GUI for that with the help of Flask. So for that please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. I will provide this code in my description. Bye bye.